Hi friends, welcome to Sheila's Kitchen Tales. When we think about Gujarati cuisine, we think about doklas and gathias and fafdas and thepla. But the Gujarati cuisine is incomplete without all these. Especially the gathias are a famous snack for the Gujarati. The Gujarati breakfast is incomplete without gathias. Today I am going to show you a variety of gathia that is prepared by the Gujaratis for breakfast, and it is very popular among the Gujaratis. That is the vanilla gathias. These gathias go very well with some tea, fried green chilies, and the sambara, which is made out of raw papaya or carrots. So let us see how these mouth-watering gathias are made.
Look at this platter of gathias. Don't they look tempting and inviting? To make them, we will require 3 cups of gram flour. I have set a measurement with this cup. I have sifted and taken the flour. Then I'll take half teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, that is ajwain, 1 teaspoon of coarsely ground black pepper, some soda bicarb, that is half teaspoon, and salt to taste, 1/4 cup of oil and half cup of water. If required, we will take some more water. Now in this flour, I'll be adding the ajwain by crushing it in between palms, then the black pepper, the hing powder, salt to taste, and the soda has not to be added directly. Instead, we have to take a cup. We will add the oil also, and for the soda, we will take a cup, put some water in it, and dissolve the soda into it. And then we will add it to the flour. But before that, we will mix all the ingredients properly into the flour. Now we shall add the water with the soda and some more water, and then we will knead this flour properly with the help of water as required. Our dough is all done, and we will put some oil in it, and we will knead this dough for about 5 to 7 minutes. The more you knead the dough, the more fluffy your gathias turn out. Keep kneading this dough, and now our dough is done. You can see the consistency of the dough. Now I will cover and keep it for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take a portion out of it, and I have taken a wooden board, and on that I will be making the gathias. This is the technique to make it. You have to make the gathias from the side of your palm by holding the dough in this manner. You can see you have to press it, take it forward, bring it backward, and you can see the swirls of the gathia. This requires a lot of patience and practice. In the video further, I will show you another way of making it, because this method requires a lot of practice. You can see how it is done by pressing it with your palms, that is the side of your palm, and pushing the dough with the help of the thumb. This way the gathias are made. The other technique is just roll in between your palms the dough and press it in this manner, and then give it twists like this. Take a portion of dough, roll it lengthwise, press it and twist it. you get gathias like this also. This is a more easier method, but the actual vanilla gathias are made the previous method. This is for those who may not know how to do the previous technique. I will make all such gathias and I will fry it in the hot oil. The oil should be on medium flames. If it will be too hot, the gathias will burn from the outside and remain raw inside. This way, on slow flame, you have to turn the gathias and fry them. The bubbles will lessen, that means the gathias are done. Take it out in a plate. Our gathias are nicely fried and ready to be served. I have served them with some carrot sambhara and fried green chilies. You can also use raw papaya sambhara for it. And a cup of tea, hot tea. Doesn't this look inviting and tempting? I am sure you all are going to make this tempting gathias at home and let me know your views about it.